Now our next theorem is the converse of tangent perpendicular to radius theorem. And this states, if a line in the plane of a circle is perpendicular to a radius at its endpoint on the circle, then the line is tangent to the circle. Let's apply this. Finding the radius. What is the radius of circle C? Since this is a right triangle, we can use Pythagorean theorem to solve for the radius. So the hypotenuse is segment AC. So we know segment AC squared equals segment AB squared plus segment BC squared. Pythagorean theorem. Let's substitute the values. So segment AC is x plus 8 squared. Segment AB is 12 squared. And we are looking for x, segment BC. Now to solve for x plus 8 squared, and we'll do this right here, we have to use FOIL. We have to multiply these two binomials. So x plus 8 times x plus 8. F stands for first, so x times x is x squared. O is for outer. X times 8 is 8x. I is inner. Again, 8 times x is 8x. And L stands for last. 8 times 8, 64. And we combine our like terms, and that gives us x squared plus 16x plus 64. We now have x squared plus 16x plus 64 equals 12 squared, which is 144, plus x squared. Let's subtract 64 from both sides, and we are left with x squared plus 16x equals 80 plus x squared. Get rid of our x squares, subtract x squared on both sides. They cancel out. So we're left with 16x is equal to 80. We will divide 16 to both sides. So x is equal to 5. Answer to our question, the radius is equal to 5, right here. Next question, identifying a tangent. Is segment ML tangent to circle N? Explain. Well, we know the lengths of the sides of triangle LMN, and we need to determine whether segment ML is tangent to circle N. Segment ML is a tangent if it is perpendicular to segment NL. We can use the converse of the Pythagorean theorem to determine whether triangle LMN is in fact a right triangle. So the hypotenuse is segment NM, so it's 25. So we can write it out. 7 squared plus 24 squared is equal to our hypotenuse, 25 squared. A squared plus b squared equals to c squared. We'll substitute, so 7 squared is 49, 24 squared is 576, and 25 squared is 625. 49 plus 576 is 625. 625 is equal to 625, so we can determine that triangle NLM is in fact a right triangle.